Hi, my name is Alex, and I am the exercise specialist here at Physicians Premier Weight and Wellness Center. I love seeing the satisfaction from patients on patients' faces after they have achieved their weight loss goal and kind of the process they've gone through. So it's really rewarding to me to see, all the effort they put in and time, and just to really see that they succeeded at the end. I bring them in, and just running through like how I do things is, we'll go over. First, we'll start off with some, foam rolling, just kind of loosen up some tension in the muscles. Then we'll do some maybe active stretching. And then what I go into next is I go into some core exercises, because pretty much every movement you do, your core's engaged. Doesn't matter if you're getting up, turning, walking, doesn't matter. Unless you're like laying down, your core's engaged in everything. So we want to warm that up first. Then after that, I usually go into some balance exercises, because balance is very important. And a lot of injuries can occur from balance, from poor balance. So we focus a lot on that. And then right after we do all of that, then we jump into the resistance training, which is muscle gaining. So then we just kind of go through either some circuits or supersets, depending on the patient, and then just try to work to build some muscle up in them. And then we do a little cool down at the end, some stretching, and then they're on their way. So that's pretty much how I run things here. I adjust, to the patient. Obviously, if they're very sedentary, adapt to different patients depending on their fitness level, and then we just kind of work from there. So I have had some patients that were a little just nervous going in because they weren't used to working out. They never really done any of that before, so they were nervous and they didn't want me to come in here and just work them till they drop. So I just try to calm them down and say, look, we're just going to go through this one by one. I'm here to help you. So we'll take it nice and easy. And then they realize, at first they were very intimidated, and then after they're like, oh wow, that wasn't so bad. So I can definitely do this. And then it's all about just building their confidence. Because a lot of people, like I said, they're intimidated, and you just want to get them in here, calm them down, build their confidence up, and build also their motivation. And you got to find really what motivates them, and that will really drive them to succeed. I've been here for about 4 months. What I love about working here just with Dr. Patel is that I've noticed that she's non-judgmental towards patients. She's very caring. She treats everyone like an individual. It's not just like a factory over here. Like I said, we all work great as a team, and we all just want to see our patients succeed. And that's what I love about working here.